Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to access Grok AI. Firstly, you need an X account. If you already have one, just log into your X account and once logged in, find Grok AI in your X account. Look for the Grok icon in the left-hand menu sidebar if you're using desktop or the Grok icon in the bottom menu of the app. Now that you're in, here's what you need to know. Free users can spend up to 10 messages every 2 hours to ensure quality interactions. And you can upload up to 3 images per day for AI-powered insights. Just upload an image and ask a question. Grok AI offers powerful tools to enhance your experience. Ask anything from general knowledge to creative writing help. It also quickly condenses long articles or documents. Get brainstorming help for tweets, blog posts, and more. You can also gain insights, detect patterns, or retrieve informations. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.